Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine studying at home. Children, today I am going to teach you the famous nature poem written by Guljar, and it is translated by Pavan Kumar Verma. The name of the poem is The Magical Earth. And as you can assume by its name that this poem is about the magic of earth. Children, have you ever thought why Earth is so important for us? Have you ever thought about it? Then come and let's discuss in the poem how great the Earth is. In this poem, we are going to read how the Earth performs magic. इस पोएम में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे कि अर्थ जो है वो किस तरीके से मैजिक दिखाती है. Okay, now tell me, as we walk around the garden, what do we see? कि जब भी हम किसी गार्डन में जाते हैं तो हम क्या देखते हैं? We see flowers, trees, plants, है ना, around us. And what do we think when we look at them? और जब हम उन्हें देखते हैं, then what do we think? We think that how does the earth sustain all these things? How does the earth balances all these things? So this poem is about that only. So let's come and read the poem. This poem is about the magic of earth, the magic that is performed by earth. There is something indeed in the earth of my garden. Is this earth magical? The earth knows how to do magic. Here, the poet is saying that there is something indeed, indeed means really. There is something really in the earth of my garden. That means I am having something special in the earth of my garden. Is this earth magical? And the poet is asking a question. He is innocently asking a question. Is this earth magical? The earth knows how to do magic. And again, he is giving the answer by himself. पहले वो खुद ही क्वेश्चन कर रहा है कि क्या अर्थ मैजिकल है, एंड अगेन वो खुद से ही आंसर दे रहा है कि अर्थ नोज हाउ टू डू मैजिक. येस, द अर्थ इज मैजिकल बिकॉज द अर्थ नोज हाउ टू डू द मैजिक. If I sow a guava seed, it gives me guavas. If I put in a jamun kernel, it gives me jamuns. A bitter gourd for a bitter gourd, a lemon for a lemon. Here the poet is saying कि if I plant a guava seed, it gives me guavas. जो अर्थ होती है वो कभी किसी की चीज़ें नहीं रखती कि अगर हम उसमें guava seed plant करेंगे, then we'll get guavas. If we'll plant jamun kernel, तो वो हमें जामुन वापस देगी. A bitter gourd for a bitter gourd, and if we plant bitter gourd, then we'll get bitter gourd. And if we'll plant lemon, then we'll get lemon. कि the main thing the poet wants to say through this stanza is कि whatever we plant in the earth, we'll get the same thing back. कि जो भी हम अर्थ के अंदर प्लांट करेंगे, जो भी चीज़ हम अर्थ के अंदर प्लांट करेंगे, वो चीज़ हमें वापस मिल जाएगी. If I ask for a flower, it gives me pink flowers. Whatever color I give to it, it returns that to me. Has it hidden all these colors in the soil below? Up now, again, the poet is saying, if I ask for a flowers, कि अगर हम उससे flowers मांगेंगे, if we'll demand for a flower, we'll get flowers from the earth. Whatever color I give to it, it returns that to me. अर्थ इज हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ कलर इनसाइड इट, कि अर्थ के अंदर बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं. देर आर सो मेनी वेराइटीज ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स. ठीक है, वट एवर फ्लावर्स वी डिमांड द अर्थ विल गिव अस. हैज इट हिडन ऑल दीज कलर्स इन द सॉइल बिलो? नाउ अगेन द पोएट इज innocently asking a question, has it hidden all these colors in the soil below? क्या अर्थ ने सारे वो कलर्स अपने अंदर छुपा रखे हैं क्या? कि अर्थ के अंदर तो सारे कलर्स आते कहाँ से हैं, कि कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? फ्लावर्स भी, फ्लावर्स में डिफरेंट कलर्स, पर्पल, येलो, ग्रीन, वट एवर कलर, वाइट, बहुत सारे कलर्स के फ्लावर्स आते हैं. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर अर्थ टू गिव अस सो मेनी फ्लावर्स ऑफ डिफरेंट colors? So the poet is asking, has it hidden all these colors in the soil below? अब now again the poet is answering by himself. वो खुद से ही आंसर कर रहा है. I dug a lot but found nothing. कि मैंने खूब डग किया, उसको खूब मैंने खोदा, but I didn't find anything. The earth knows how to do magic, and that means there is some kind of magic in the earth. Earth knows it very well how to do the magic. कि अर्थ को अच्छे से पता है कि किस तरीके से मैजिक करना है. The earth knows how to do magic. It shows so many tricks. Here again the poet is saying the earth knows how to do magic. Earth को पता है कि magic किस तरीके से करना है, and it is showing so many different tricks also. When it balances these long coconut trees on its fingers, it does not even let them fall. Have you seen coconut trees? They are so tall and without moving here and there, they just stand on one place. कि कोकोनट ट्रीज जो होते हैं वो एक ही जगह पे खड़े रहते हैं बिना टेढ़े मेढ़े हुए बिना गिरे हुए. तो इट इज द मैजिक ऑफ अर्थ ओनली. द पोएट वांट्स टू से दैट इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द मैजिक ऑफ अर्थ. अर्थ balances these long coconut trees without any प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. एंड इट डज नॉट इवन लेट देम फॉल. वो उन्हें गिरने भी नहीं देती. द विंड डज इट्स बेस्ट ऑल्दो द विंड ट्राई इट्स लेवल बेस्ट टू मूव देम. वो उन्हें गिराने की पूरी कोशिश करती है, मूव करने की, गिराने की. बट इट इज द फर्मनेस ऑफ अर्थ दैट अर्थ डज नॉट लेट देम फंबल. फंबल मीन्स फॉल. कि अर्थ उन्हें कभी भी गिरने नहीं देती. सो इट्स द मैजिक ऑफ अर्थ ओनली. A sherbet or milk or water, anything may fall, it absorbs them all. How much water does it drink? It gulps down whatever you give. A sherbet, milk or water. It doesn't matter whatever liquid you can pour on the earth. कि आप अर्थ पे कोई सा भी लिक्विड डाल दो. You can put any liquid, whether it is a sherbet, milk, water, any of the liquid. Anything may fall on the earth, it absorbs them all. जो अर्थ है वो सारे लिक्विड को अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब कर जाएगी. वो कभी आपको कंप्लेन नहीं करेगी. वो सारी चीजों को अपने अंदर सोख कर लेगी. हाउ मच वाटर डज इट ड्रिंक? सी अगेन द पोएट इज आस्किंग अ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. First question was, is this earth magical? He answered by himself then. Second question was, has it hidden all these colors in the soil below? And again he answered by himself. Now again the third question is asked by him. How much water does it drink? कि वो कितना पानी पीती है मतलब एक बार में. I am confused. What is the capacity of earth to drink water? Now again he answered by himself. It gulps down whatever you give. कि आप कितना भी पानी डालो वो सारा पानी पी जाएगी. Be it from a jug or a bucket. Amazingly, its stomach never fills. I have heard that it can even hide a river inside. The earth knows how to do magic. Be it from a jug or a bucket. कि आप whether you put water from a jug और बकेट, चाहे आप एक बाल्टी पानी डाल दो चाहे आप एक जग पानी डालो, whatever amount of water you will put on the earth will gulp all the liquid. Amazingly, and it's very surprising that the stomach of earth never fills. कि जो अर्थ का स्टमक है वो कभी भी भरता नहीं है. वो उसके अंदर कुछ भी डाल दो वो सारा अपने अंदर समा लेती है. I have heard that earth is having the capacity to hide a river inside. वो अपने अंदर पूरी बड़ी बड़ी rivers को भी छुपा रखा है उसने अपने अंदर. The earth knows, and that is simply just because of the magic of earth, that our earth is magical. That is why earth is able to do all these things. Are there sugar godowns under the earth? Now again the poet is asking the question back to back. Are there sugar godowns under the earth or rocks of lime? How does earth put sweetness into fruits? From where does it get all this? Are there sugar godowns under the earth? Now again the poet is asking a question कि क्या अर्थ के अंदर कोई sugar godowns है क्या या फिर rocks of lime है. मतलब I am confused. What is there inside the earth? How does earth manage all these things? How does this earth put sweetness into fruits? कि earth fruits के अंदर इतनी sweetness कहाँ से डालती है? How it's possible for earth to put the sweetness into fruits? From where does it get all this? उसे कहाँ से मिलती है ये सारी चीजें? Pomegranates, plums and mangoes, in all of them sweetness but different kinds. कि whether it is pomegranate, plum, mango, in all the fruits you'll find some or the other kind of sweetness, but there is a difference. Sweetness will be of different kinds. The leaves tasteless but the fruit sweet. And one more thing you will notice, that the fruits of trees, the fruits are tasty. They are very tasty, they are very sweet, they are very sour, but the leaves are tasteless, they are not eatable. The मौसम्बी sweet, the lemon sour. जी जो मौसमी होती है वो तो मीठी होती है और लेमन बहुत खट्टा होता है. दिखने में दोनों एक जैसे हैं. If you'll see, they both are similar, only the difference is of size only. But the lemon is sour, lemon बहुत खट्टा होता है, but the मौसमी is very sweet. Undoubtedly it knows magic, and the poet says, undoubtedly I can bet that the earth knows how to perform a magic. Otherwise, why is the bamboo tasteless and the sugarcane sweet? कि अगर ऐसा नहीं होता, अर्थ को मैजिक नहीं आता होता, तो ऐसा क्यों होता कि बैम्बू तो टेस्टलेस है, देर इज नो टेस्ट इन बैम्बू ट्री, है ना, एंड शुगर केन आर वेरी टेस्टी, दे आर वेरी स्वीट. तो देर इज अ डिफरेंस. ऑल्दो अगर हम उन्हें देखेंगे तो दिखने में सेम है. डिफरेंस क्या होता है दिखने में कि शुगर केन थोड़े थिन होते हैं और बैम्बू थोड़े थिक होते हैं. आपने शुगर केन का जूस भी पिया होगा, लेकिन बैम्बू का तो नहीं पी सकते. सो द मेन थिंग दैट द पोएट wants to say through this poem is that the earth is having capacity to perform some magic. The earth is magical and it knows very well how to perform a magic. That is why only the earth is able to do all these things. इसीलिए जो earth है वो सारी चीजों को मैनेज करके चल रही है, वो सारी चीजों को बैलेंस करके चल रही है. So, children, this is all about this poem. This poem is about the magic of earth. I hope you all have enjoyed the poem very much. Thank you.